received a text from my husband this morning saying, "I'm so fucking tired. I don't think I can sleep in bed with you anymore." He's been snoring for about a year at this point, and it wakes me up since I'm a light sleeper, so when this happens I nudge him to roll onto his side so he doesn't snore. Recently when I wake him up he started to argue with me that he is in fact not snoring and I need to leave him alone. I've mentioned he should get a sleep test because he may not be breathing and it would help the issue altogether, but he has no motivation to set up an appointment. He just complains I wake him up. I don't think I'm being unreasonable. It disrupts my sleep just as much as me waking him up.